how to set prices for SME data or any data gifting data. This is applicable to the two of them. Select the network you intend to set the API price for. Then we have already set the 500 MB, so we are going to set this one now. And for now, we can see that this price is 113 for API earners. So we are going to start from API earner, and we want to say, okay, our API earner 1 gig, the price will be 222, and we can say this person will get 225, while this person gets 227, or let's say 230, and this person gets it at 245 or 250. Depends on you how you want to do it, but this is the person that gets the better discount. Once you are done with this, then the next thing is to click on add. Once you click on add, it will add up here. You see that it has add up here. You continue the same process by clicking on the next one, which is 2 gig. So your price will be in multiple of 1 gig. This is 222 now, 222 naira. Then the next thing we want to do for 2 gig in multiple of 1 gig will be for the remaining. So 222 naira will give us 444 naira here. Then the one we did here was 225, which will be 450 here, 450. The next one is 230, which is going to be 460. And the next one 250, which is let's see, 250. We have 250. Multiply it will give us 500. So you do the rest in multiple of the price of 1 gig. Once you click on add, you will see that it is adding up here. You can see it's adding up. That's how to complete the rest. Thank you.